Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the DREAME Aqua10 Ultra Roller with the DREAME Home app, which is available for iOS and Android devices. If you're interested in the Aqua10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we are in the DREAME Home app right here, where we can see all of our lovely DREAME devices. We need to go to the top right-hand corner, hit those three dots, select Add Device. We're taken to this screen where we can scan a QR code on the device to set it up, or we can manually add it and pick and choose from a list. We're going to take our vacuum out of the station right here, open up the cover, and we're going to scan this code right there. Boom. Make sure the device is turned on, which ours is. Select Next. Release the hotspot. So press and hold for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Got the voice prompt. Select Next. Now at this screen, we need to connect to our local Wi-Fi network. It only connects to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so make sure you're on your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Select Next. And then we need to join the device hotspot. So let's select device hotspot connection. Pops up. Join. And now it's working on connecting.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
We got the voice prompt that it's connected, return to the app, so we wait for the app to catch up.
Network connected successfully.
Everything is connected
Place
successfully.
back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
Select Next. We can name it. Finished. Downloading. So we wait for everything to initialize to take us to the main screen. And there we have it. We can agree. They walk you through some features like mop extend, side reach, auto lifting LDS, if you have pets in your home, smart voice assistant if you want that on or off, start to experience, firmware update too. You can be prompted to upgrade right there. Map backup instructions. And then you can start fast mapping, but I definitely recommend initially put it back in the station and do the firmware updates. That'll give you the best experience possible. But there you have it. This is what it looks like in your account. Go to device. Be prompted there to start your fast mapping. So set that up where you want it, and that's it. You're ready to go. But if there's any firmware updates, definitely do that now. But that's it. It's simple and straightforward to set up. Chances are it'll take you longer for the firmware to update than it will for actually setting this device up initially.